Hey guys, it's Dave with Bob from Bewdley.
Good day, eh?
So we've got his firewood stack holder thing, and you want to explain it?
It's a firewood holder, Dave.
Yeah, well,
when you have fires in the fire pit.
Okay, so how'd you make it?
Basically, there's 3 blocks. Make sure they're all the same height.
Okay.
And then it's just 4 lengths of however wide you want it, of 2x4s.
Okay.
And 2 8-foot lengths for each end. And screw it all together, set it on top of the blocks.
See, this is nicer because usually people just take the block and stick a 2x4 in it,
Yep.
and it comes out at an angle. But
Well,
this,
these are the 2x4s on the ends are down into the block.
yeah,
So it stabilizes the whole thing from going one way or the other. And then as an added feature, my wife decided that I needed to put a shelf on the very top of it.
and what do you use the shelf for? Anything you want?
Anything she wants.
Anything she wants. Perfect.
And
So,
that's done in deck boards.
so if you want to make a beautiful wood holder for cheap, there you go. That's the way to do it.
Absolutely.
And thanks, Bob, for coming on Ghetto Van Adventures.
It's a wheel journey.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.